Most people buy copper bottles or copper vessels for various reasons. Many people like to see showcasing in the drawing rooms. Many people buy just another pot because the old one, whether it was steel or plastic, now is the time to change. So maybe why not copper? But let me tell you one most important and very comprehensive benefit of the copper. Copper has a great chemistry with saliva, but not every moment. After sleep of 6 to 7 hours, the saliva gains alkaline and also zero bacteria. If provided copper at that particular moment, it means when the moment we wake up and without wasting further time, if we drink copper, consume the saliva, or creates a chemistry known as copper peptide. The chemistry formula GHK plus Cu. It's a great chemistry and very helpful preventive medicine sold in the pharmaceutical companies known as copper peptide. While you are watching me, you Google it now and see what comes out of the copper peptide. And then maybe in depth studies you'll come to know how the copper peptide by the labs are formed. To my understanding, copper peptide is formed through the saliva, urine, or the plasma of the animal. Here, God has given us an opportunity every moment after sleep. If we drink copper water, we gain that same organical medicine that maybe in India it used to say keep it in the night, drink in the morning, because that olden days people only slept nights. Now there are various times, but it doesn't matter. It's not night and the morning. It's after sleep of 6 hours. Without wasting your time, just pour a glass of water, drink it up, and see the difference in 20 days. If you do so, we assure you the results in 3 months. Many people have come back and told they have stopped medicines, diabetes, sugar, hypertension, thyroid, skin allergies and infections. These are the great ancient wisdom. If we apply, we will be even thinking better. Keep it up. We got a wonderful bedside bottle so that you can feel 3 benefits. One, you can showcase in your drawing room, bedroom as a side bottle, and you can utilize it as a early morning without wasting time and see the benefits.